If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? You can kill a deal a lot of times on something that may be settling versus something that's structural because you don't know the difference. The buyer's dad is like, oh, that's a structural issue. You need to help educate them in a way that makes them feel like they're empowered, but at the same time makes you be the person to be the educator. You can take any wall out you want. All you have to do is put a header. If you don't want the header, we could put a column to help support it, or we can reach out to a contractor to see if it's actually a non-load bearing wall, and if it's not, we can just blow it out. Whatever height you're at in the house, it typically goes to the door frame. That's where the header goes. And you can blow any wall out you want. If you want to throw words around, say an LVL, use that terminology. Hey, we'll put LVL in there as a header, and it'll make you sound like you know what the hell you're talking about. LVL is just like a wooden beam that goes across. The more credibility you can bring to the table,